Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video, we worked out that it is raining inside the car. Now when I mean raining, it means that all the water is getting through straight into the car. But either way, I also mentioned that we are going to send it out to get done, which I've changed my mind. The whole purpose of this build is for me to get the job done myself and save as much money as possible. So we are going to remove the windscreen, reseal it, stick it back on and move forward. So yeah, let's get to that now. We're gonna start by pulling off the wiper arms, pulling off the cowl trim, and then from there I got some old bonnet cable wire which we will use to feed through the windscreen, saw it off, you know, so just moving the wire back and forth, cutting the whole seal off. That's the plan for this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get on to removing the windscreen. So here we go. Now that I've removed this, I can show you how bad these wiper arms are. So you can see here, see those? On both sides. So the pressure and the movement has made this hole right here get ovalized. It doesn't press down on this hard enough now. So I'm gonna have to get new ones of these because I don't think I can repair these, but that's something we have to deal with later. For now, let's just fix the leaky windscreen.
Go, hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit.
This is the bonnet latch cable. You can see it actually broke already. Just gonna pull it out and use this. Should be long enough for me to be able to pull it back and forth in order to remove the windscreen. So we're gonna squeeze this in between the gaps that we have on the top and start cutting it out. So here we go.
Mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. This
is gonna take me a while, and plus this cable gets really hot, so I'm gonna cut out the whole thing, and then when I'm ready to remove the windscreen, I'll start recording again. So here we go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel... One pair of pants later.
All right, I'm gonna be honest. Sometimes I tend to rush things and make many mistakes myself, you know? Nobody's perfect. This is one of those cases. Yep. I got a bit too impatient and accidentally cracked the windscreen. Not only there, but also down here, right there. So now I have no choice but to get a windscreen guy to come and fix this for me. There's one nearby here, so I was just gonna drive the car to him. Either way, I'm going to remove this windscreen and fix up all the rust and everything that's around it still, have it nice and prepped, so then when the new windscreen goes on, I won't have to worry about all of this area again, you know? Because one of the issues that I have with always restoring cars is the risk of cracking the windscreen, which, perfect example, you know? So yeah, I'll continue removing this. I don't care if it's gonna break because it's already broken, so I need to remove the windscreen, fix up that rusty area, continue from there. But believe it or not, it's been 2 hours and I got all of there, all of there, all of there, up to here, and that's where it cracked. Almost 2 hours and it got me that much. So, well, lesson learned. Now we're just gonna continue on and do what we have to do. So anyway, that's all I can do now. So I'm gonna leave it for now and continue back another day. So we'll see you guys on the next video.
Several days later.
As you can see, I removed the windscreen. You're probably thinking I'm an idiot for removing this myself, but I found out how much it cost to replace the windscreen. It's 400 plus ringgit, you know? So to get a used windscreen is 150. Even if I pull this off and failed, like I have, it still ends up being cheaper than sending it up to the windscreen guy to get it replaced. So I'd rather try and fail than it is than to pay double the amount, you know what I mean? So yeah, so it's 150 ringgit to replace the windscreen and about 50 ringgit of Sikaflex. 200 ringgit, 400 plus, big difference. I'd rather try myself, make the mistake myself, and yet still be able to fix it for cheaper. Now we got the windscreen off. We're gonna clean off all these Sikaflex and then start fixing some of that rust. Yeah, not long to go now. And then I can have a sealed up windscreen. This is what happens when you don't prep a windscreen properly. Like I said, this roof, it was replaced before. Yeah, of course they welded it up, all the plug welds, but they didn't prep the metal. So this is all rust building up. So I can imagine all the other plug welds are exactly the same. So I'm kind of glad we're doing this. Otherwise this would have been a future problem that I would have to deal with in a future time. And let's say I got the car painted, it would have been a whole respray again on this car. So lucky we're doing this now, getting it all fixed in one go. Here we go.
Never stop, forget it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rock.
It's a new day. We're gonna be welding up these holes today. I've cleaned that as best as I could. Yeah, now just gonna weld up the holes. Then we're gonna grind them down, make them smooth. Then we're gonna put some epoxy primer on it, and that should be good. That's all we have left to do on this before we can put the new windscreen on. Enough talking, let's just get straight to it.
Now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters, and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change.
Yeah, like I said, I wasn't expecting this much work to be done in order for me to drive the car, but you know, since we're in it, we might as well do it properly, yeah? Do it once, do it right type of thing. Let's continue on, get this car done as soon as possible, so then once the windscreen is on, I just need to replace that lock and we can drive this thing. So yeah, let's get to it, huh? Here we go.
So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony to hate someone who's trying to.
I know what you're thinking. How can I just spray everywhere and not mask anything up? All of this is gonna get sanded down anyway. Is just to protect the bare metal, only temporary. But at least now she's looking clean and she is ready to receive the Sikaflex. And
we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities, so do better.
We have ourselves a used windscreen. Got that for 150 ringgit. Need to remove all these stickers off it though and then give it a good clean. And then we're going to install this into the Wira. I also got myself a driver's door lock actuator. Not in the best condition either, but I got it with warranty. So either way, we'll try it. Have the car as a drivable car. I have fixed the door lock, finally. You can see here, locked. Easy, and then unlock. Oh, it's so smooth.
Disability, so do better. Work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'll ever stop it. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Alrighty, and just like that, we are done. As you can see, we've squeezed out as much of that Sikaflex as we could. I'm pretty sure it's nice and tight in there now. We even lined up these edges here, and even at the top here as well. And I made sure the Sikaflex stayed in line. The excess though, I might cut it out later, because I still need to fit that trim on top. Anyway, she's done, and that's it. So there you have it. The windscreen is now installed, and the door lock is now fixed. What is left is to put the cowl trim back on, put the wiper arms in. I want to fix that door trim that I broke, maybe replace this power window, and then fit both of the door trims back in. If I don't have the door trim on, I don't have the window switches. If I don't have the window switches, I can't open or close the windows. So when I go past the toll, I'll have the same issue as before. So we don't want that, eh? Yeah, that's it. Hey, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.